Are you looking for a simple yet powerful graphic design tool to help you create amazing designs without all the hassle of expensive software? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to VistaCreate, and trust me, this might just be the Canva alternative you've been searching for. If you're a content creator, social media manager, or just someone who wants to make awesome designs, you're about to discover a game-changing tool that will level up your graphic design skills. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into why VistaCreate is the tool you should be using. Why VistaCreate is the best Canva alternative. We all know about Canva. It's the go-to tool for many graphic designers and creators. But here's the truth. VistaCreate is a serious contender and, in some cases, a better option. Here's why. Super easy to use, even for beginners. VistaCreate is designed to be user-friendly. If you've never picked up a design tool before, no worries. It's incredibly easy to navigate, with drag-and-drop functionality that makes creating professional-looking designs a breeze. Whether you want to create an Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or even an animated ad, VistaCreate has a wide range of templates that you can customize to fit your needs. No design degree required. Affordable pricing with free access. Now, I know what you're thinking. All these great features must come at a cost. But here's the kicker. VistaCreate is free to start. Party popper. Yep, you get access to thousands of templates, design elements, and stock photos for free. And if you want to unlock even more premium features, their paid plans are super affordable, which is amazing if you're just starting out and want to keep costs low. Tons of templates for every need. Whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, business cards, or even YouTube thumbnails, VistaCreate has thousands of templates to choose from. It's perfect for when you want to save time and get things done quickly, while still creating designs that look polished and professional. And the best part? The templates are fully customizable, so you can add your personal touch without starting from scratch. Sparkles. Advanced features for serious creators. Here's where VistaCreate takes it a step further. If you want to elevate your design game, you have access to advanced features like animation tools. Animate your text, objects, or entire scenes to create eye-catching videos and social media posts. Background remover. Say goodbye to messy backgrounds with VistaCreate's automatic background remover tool. Perfect for those product shots or profile pictures. Brand kit. If you're running a business or creating content for a brand, VistaCreate lets you save your logo, fonts, and colors in your brand kit for easy access. Talk about time saving. Multimedia tools. Need to add audio or video to your design? VistaCreate lets you upload videos, GIFs, and even sounds to make your design stand out even more. Huge library of design elements. What makes VistaCreate unique is its vast library of over 1 million design assets, including fonts, photos, illustrations, and icons. You can find everything you need to make your designs pop, and it's all available with just a few clicks. Whether you're designing a flyer, social media post, or presentation, you'll never run out of high-quality elements to add. Collaboration made easy. If you're working with a team, VistaCreate lets you collaborate effortlessly. You can share designs with others, give feedback, and even let them edit the design directly. It's perfect for group projects, social media teams, or business owners who need to get feedback fast. Customizable animations. VistaCreate lets you animate everything, not just static designs. Whether it's text or images, you can turn any design into a mini movie with its simple animation tools. So, if you're making ads or social media posts that need to catch people's attention, this feature is a game changer. Multi-platform access. Another cool thing? VistaCreate works across multiple platforms. You can design on the desktop, tablet, or even mobile app, so no matter where you are, you can keep creating. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, your designs are never too far away. How you can start using VistaCreate. Ready to get started with VistaCreate? Here's a quick breakdown of how to use it. Sign up for free. Just head to their website, sign up with your email or Google account, and you're good to go. Explore templates, browse through the extensive template library, and pick one that fits your project. Customize, add your personal touch by changing text, colors, images, and more. Download and share. Once you're happy with your design, download it in high resolution or share it directly to your social media platforms. And that's it. You now know why VistaCreate is the best Canva alternative out there. It's user-friendly, affordable, packed with features, and perfect for creators at any level. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced designer, VistaCreate has something to offer. So, if you're ready to start creating, check out the link in the description to get started with VistaCreate today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more design tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what you're going to design first.